before I start, I want to look sexy. Okay. Should I put on a shade? No, I want to look serious because I want to give you guys a hack. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Jenny Capable, and if you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. So I want to be sharing 4 basic TV remote hack with you guys. I tried the second option and it worked so perfect for me. I think any other person experiencing the same issue which I had find this helpful. And let's get started. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, this is my TV remote. What really happened was that over the weekend my remote stopped functioning as a result of, I don't know what really happened, but at that moment the light went off, came back, then I tried on my TV with the remote and it just wasn't working, so which resulted to me trying this hack. So the first thing you got to do is to remove the battery, yes, from the remote, like I'm doing right now. Make sure you remove it completely. Then you go ahead to the switch and turn it off and unplug the wire, the cable from the switch. Wait for about 15 minutes. Sorry, 15 seconds. Yes, you wait for 15 seconds. Once that is done, you go ahead to plug it back into the socket. Yeah, into the switch. Then turn it on. Then go back to your remote. Put back the battery inside. Put back the battery, then you try and see if it will work. That's the first option. Yeah, so if that doesn't work, you try the second option. You do the same thing you did at the first option, removing the battery from the remote. Then once everything is completely removed, you just go ahead to tap on the button, the remote buttons. Make sure you tap everything on that remote from the beginning to the end. Whatever thing you're saying, make sure you tap. Keep tapping. Tap every single thing. Tap the arrows, tap the Netflix sign, the YouTube sign, the Prime Video, everything you can see, the reduction, volume, and increase. Make sure you tap everything. Then you go back and insert the battery again. Yes, so once that is done, this should work for most people because this option worked well for me. So turn out the remote on the power button, and if this doesn't work as well, you go ahead to try the third option. The third option basically is just to change the battery and put a new one, just like I'm doing right now. Put in the new battery and try seeing if it will work. Then if this doesn't work, you just have to try the fourth option. The fourth option you have to try is to return the remote to the vendor, or you go ahead to purchase another one. Hope this helps. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. So the option that worked well for me to resolve my own issue was the second option. Yes, second option worked perfect for me, and I believe it's going to be helpful to someone out there having the same issue. Yes, if you really find this video helpful and it helped resolve the issue you had with your remote, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give it a video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and come back for my next video. And also, if you want me to keep sharing more videos of hacks in my channel, please comment. That your comments, I need it. Yeah guys, okay guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.